Hello guys, welcome to the C++ tutorial series. In this video, we'll learn about operators in C++. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel mods.dev. Please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and turn on the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's begin. Now, in this video, we'll talk about the basic arithmetic operators in C++, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then the modulo operator. So I'll go ahead and initialize variable, let's say x, to what? 20. Let me use 20. And then finally int y, that should be 10. Now one thing I want to draw your attention to is that in C++ we can initialize variables of the same data type on one line. So it goes like this. I can say let int x, that should be 20, and then using the comma to separate them, I'll say y should be what? 10, and then finally terminate the line. So this is allowed in C++, and I can go ahead and even add more and say, let's say z is equal to 50. So we can initialize variables of the same data type on one line, but it is not advisable to do in C++, but I just want to draw your attention to it. So let's go back to our initial variables. Now, in order to perform addition, I'll just declare a variable, let's say result is equal to x plus y, and then terminate it. So this, and then finally output that to the console, character out our result. And when I run the code, hopefully we get a result of what? 30 in the console. The next one operator we'll talk about is the subtraction. So I'll just go ahead and do that, which is what? X minus y. And then we run our code. Then we get a result. The next one is we would like to talk about is the multiplication. So I'll just go ahead, int result is equal to x times y, and I hope you have already guessed it, we get 200. So just copy this down and then comment this one out, and then we use the division and run our code. Division gives us what? 2. So that's 20 divided by 10 is 2. Then finally our modulo. And then how the modulo operator works is that it returns as the remainder from what? The operands. So we know that x and y are the operands, and then the modulo, the addition, the division, they are all what? The operators. So this is how the modulo operator looks in C++, and when we run that, hopefully we get a remainder of 0. So it means that what? 10 will divide 20 perfectly, that's 2 times, and it will be left with what? 0. So that is it about it. So let me change the value of s, and let's say 25, so that it doesn't divide perfectly, and then let's see what the value or the remainder will be. So the remainder will be what? 5. That means that what? 10 will divide 25 2 times perfectly, and to be left with what? 5. So the modulo operator returns to us the remainder from the operands. So that is it, guys, about operators in C++. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.